Hello children, a very good afternoon to you all. Welcome back to the next session of online class. We are seeing the revision on science, right? So we have finished first lesson, second lesson and third lesson revision. Now we are going to discuss the last lesson, that is fourth lesson, science in everyday life. So in this lesson we have learned boiling point of water, cooking items, medicinal properties, and then we have seen what are the importance in the kitchen items, and then we have seen about pressure cooker and idli, how it is cooked, everything, right? So now in this class we are going to see the book exercise. The first Roman number is true or false. So in true or false, the first one, when we boil water, bacteria are destroyed. When we boil water, bacteria are destroyed. Yes, true. Idli is cooked by process called steaming. True. Thermometer is used to measure pressure. False. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. Refrigerator helps to keep things cold. Yes, true. Garlic relieves hiccups and nausea. False. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. True. Right? The next one is circle the name of things from which idli is made. So there are few names of things. We have to circle only the items from which idli is made. So first thing is rice. Yes, with rice we make idli. Groundnut, no. Chilli, no. Black gram, yes, we need black gram. Next, red gram, no. Water, yes, we need water. Salt, yes, we need salt. Pepper, no. Sugar, no. Fenugreek, yes, we need fenugreek. Right? So these are the things: rice, water, salt, black gram, fenugreek. These are the things from which idli is made. Okay children? The next one is match the home appliances and their functions. So here are the home appliances given and here are the functions of those home appliances. We have to match correct. See here, first one, pressure cooker. What pressure cooker will do? It cooks food faster. Cooks faster. Next, refrigerator. What refrigerator will do? Preserves vegetables. Right? Fruits and vegetables. Next, kettle. What kettle will do? It boils water. Next, grinder. What this grinder will do? Makes batter of food grains. Next, last thing is coffee machine. Makes coffee. Okay. So pressure cooker cooks faster. Refrigerator preserves vegetables. Kettle boils water. This is grinder, makes batter. And this one is coffee machine, makes coffee. Okay, the fourth Roman number is, see which of these are safe to do at home. Put tick or cross in the box. So first thing, touching electrical appliances. Whether it is true or false? No, we should never touch any switchboards or wires related to electricity. False. Okay, cross. Playing with sharp objects. So is it safe? No, it is never safe. So cross. Playing in the kitchen is good. Is it safe? No. We should never play in the kitchen, right? Next. Keep safe distance from the gas stove and cylinder. Yes. We have to be away from gas stove and cylinder. Okay. The next one. It is one word. Okay. So answer in a word or sentence. Only one word answers we have to. See how it is. How do you store fruits and vegetables for a longer period? How will store? In refrigerator. Name the instrument used to measure temperature. Thermometer. We got this in true or false. How is idli prepared? Idli, how is it prepared? By steaming. How it is prepared? By steaming. Next, what is the use of black pepper? What black pepper will do? It relieves from cough and cold. Which medicine, kitchen medicine, is called the poor man's antibiotic? Garlic. Okay, this is, see, all only one words, right? Otherwise a small sentence, that's it. Okay, children. So the next one is essay type answer, that is long answers. Write the uses of boiled water. What are the advantages of pressure cooker? So you have to learn this. This is very important. Write the uses of boiled water. Write the advantages of pressure cooker. Let's see the benefits of boiling water. Benefits of boiling water. What is the first benefit? It destroys germs. Improves digestion. Second one. Third, prevents us from the infection of waterborne diseases. So, first point is destroys germs, improves digestion, prevents us from the infection of waterborne diseases. So, these 3 points you have to write. Then only I will give the mark. Full mark. Okay. The next thing. Benefits of pressure cooker. So, what are the benefits of pressure cooker? Here also we will have 3 points. See, first one, saves time, saves energy, then retains nutrients in food, saves time, saves energy, and last thing, retains nutrients in food. Okay, children. So, you have to learn 3 points from this. Okay, with this we have finished unit 4 also. So, I hope you all understood science very well. Please practice in your house. Okay, learn everything perfectly and write the exams well. Okay, children, all the best. Thank you.